given a list of 6,000 words. And the expected output is cat in a box. So the first word of the list is air, and in beam search algorithm, it will find the probability of the next word. So it takes multiple inputs. So let's say air is the first word, and the next word of after air is cactus, and it will pair with the next word, which is tree, and it do the same process all the way to the last word, which is nap. The process repeated from the first word all the way to the last word. So the cactus will pair up with air, tree, cat, and so on all the way to the nap. Let's say cat and box are the most relevant words. The first output, Y1, stores the word cat. And the word cat is being routed back, which results second output, Y2. From here we can find the probability of the second output from the word cat. The words cat in will repeat the same process of finding the relevant probability of the next output, starting from the first word of the list. All the way to the last word of the list. This process also applies to the word a box, starting from the beginning of the word in the list all the way to the end. The final output of a beam search is cat in a box. The time complexity and space complexity of a beam search is identical, which is B times M, where B represents the beam width and M represents the maximum depth of any path in the tree. In time complexity, speed is one of the greatest strengths because beam only extends the width nodes at each level. Unlike other search algorithms, beam does not expand widely at each level. And according to space complexity, beam search will only keep the best heuristic value at each level, so linear memory allows beam search to dive deeply into each space and find possible solutions. This means the beam will only store important nodes to avoid running out of memory before reaching the goal. Although there are several advantages, there are disadvantages too. The search will stop under two circumstances. First, it requires goal nodes in order to accomplish the task, and the other one is the goal node could not be accomplished and no more nodes to be explored. Therefore, the search may not result the optimal goal.